Hi everybody, today is the day 14 building in Notion. Wow, 14 days I've been doing this is crazy. And 14 days today I've been working on tasks for 4 hours. I try to connect them to my key results database. So basically if I want to go to the gym today, I want this task to correspond with my monthly results. So if I go to the gym like 12 times per month, and if I hit 6 times, I want my key results database to show 50% completion of the gym task. Easy to say, hard to implement. I don't know, like 4 hours I tried to watch some videos, try to experiment with some completion stuff like formulas. It's just, I don't get it. I don't know now, but I've been in this situation before. There was some other features that I couldn't implement from first time, but and I get it that it happens when you do it for the first time. You just gotta do it, and eventually, in one day, in 2 days, you'll get it. And yeah, I just keep going and try more things. And with that said, I see you tomorrow.